Okay, Leon, I'm back for math. I hope your language test went well. We are doing more bar graphs. So each year what is happening is everything that we've done the year before is getting just a little bit harder. So you may feel like this is still pretty easy, but there will be some new things you will learn in this book, so just bear with me because I know you haven't had line plots before and it was easy to understand, but each year they just introduce a little bit more so that it doesn't overwhelm you. All right, so we're looking at bar graphs. And I know you understand bar graphs, so let's just get right in here. Mrs. Johnson gave each student a bag of pattern blocks to make a mosaic. So at the top, it says the blocks that were in each bag, and it tells how many were in each bag. So how many of the diamonds were there? 8. There were 8 diamonds. How many circles? 4. How many parallelograms? You know what a parallelogram is? Parallelogram's got 2 slanted sides, a short top, and a long bottom. 4. All right, so let's just answer the questions. How many purple blocks was each student given? How many did she put in the bag? Answer it, and then we'll compare our answers. What color block does each student have the most of? You can draw a picture or write a word. Can you determine how many students are in Mrs. Johnson's class? Number 4. How many yellow, green, and orange blocks were in each bag? So we got to add the yellow, the green, and the orange. You got it? All right, what'd you get on number 1? 8 would be the correct answer. What'd you get on number 2? Square. What did you get on number 3? Can you determine the number of students? No, it says nothing about how many students are in the class, because each student got this many blocks. Okay, not just one student. Every student got this many, but we don't even know how many students are in her class. How many yellow, green, and orange blocks were there? Where I see 4 yellow plus 4 green is 8, plus 8 orange is 16. Did you get 16? Way to go. Let's look at milk purchase. What does each square represent? I like this graph because it's a little harder. Look at the bottom of it. It says 1 square equals 5. So how are we going to count the squares? By 5s. Each one is like 5 tally marks. So on Monday there's 5, 10, 15, 20. A little bit harder. What does each square represent? Write it down and we'll compare notes in a minute. On which day were the fewest cartons of milk purchased? How many milk cartons were purchased this week? So does it tell us? Does it list a certain number on each day? And how do we count them? Each one represents 5, so count them up. Are you ready? Ready now? Ready now? All right, how many does each square represent? 5 cartons. On which day were the fewest cartons of milk purchased? Tuesday. How many milk cartons were purchased this week? 100, because if you count them by 5s, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, on and on and on till you get to the end. There's 100 cartons, because each purple square means they had 5. On the back, same old, same old. You have a pretty easy math day. Look at time to apply. Complete each table to find the points earned for 5 baskets made. So for each basket, it earns 2 points. So 1 times 2 is 2. So 1 basket earns you 2 points. 2 baskets times 2 is 4, because it's 2 for this one and 2 for this one. So it's 2 plus 2. So you can just multiply. All right. On number 8, see if you can figure that out. It's pretty easy. All right, that was all. Gosh, you have an easy day today. So what's the next thing we have to do? Math practice. All right, I'll see you in for math practice. That took us all of 5 minutes. All right, good job.